Hi, today we have a new adventure. These days I call everything adventure or miracle because this is how I feel. Everything is an adventure. So my dishwasher, which is probably 1 year old, is it? So it's Bosch 800 series. It told me that there is a water trap. And as I'm by myself now, I will have to figure out what to do. Luckily, I have a manual. People don't usually read manuals. Maybe I'll try to see what's happening, and then if I can't figure out, then I will have to read manual. Let's see. So what do we have? We have a dishwasher. So it says water trap on here. And it says error 22. So what do we do? So I think there is a filter. All right. Oh, this is water trap. Yeah. I would tell you that I don't rinse my dishes very thoroughly before putting them in the dishwasher, just because there is no point to have a dishwasher if you have to wash your dishes before putting them inside the dishwasher. So I think it's not too bad that the filter is dirty once a year, that I have to clean it. And I will see how bad it is. Maybe I will have to start rinsing the dishes, which I don't want to. My kids usually finish all the food, so there is no food on the plate because I cook. They like my cooking, so they finish everything. So it's basically clean. I don't have to rinse it. But we'll see how difficult it will be to clean. So the filter is, I will tell you, so the filter is dirty. Yeah, okay, so this we will clean this. This part, I guess we'll have to clean this. What to do with the water? Probably I have to remove water first to see how to clean the inside. Okay, I'll find out how to remove all the water first, and then I'll be back. So bad news is that when I decided that I want to read the manual, it appears that there is no troubleshooting in the manual. So I have installation manual and I have quick start safety guide, but no troubleshooting. So it doesn't say what to do in case of the error. Do I like it? No, because I don't want to go online and find the full manual. I like reading. Okay, then we'll see what I can do without the manual. Okay, I think what I can do, I'll use the steam cleaner and try to remove all the dirt from inside, because I don't think I can remove anything else from there. I will have to unscrew, which I don't think I will do, but if I can clean it, then I will have to unscrew 2 bolts to see if another part can be removed. Okay, let's try the steam cleaner. my best friend steam cleaner. We'll see what we can do. Okay, the water is still in there. I told you it's an adventure. Isn't it fun? Okay, there is a drain that I think is not, so the water is not getting through. So maybe I'll have to remove, I hope not, but maybe I'll have to remove the connector and see what's inside. So I'm getting close to the idea that maybe I will have to rinse my dishes before putting them in dishwasher. Okay, let's try more with the steam cleaner and see. So at least I found where the drain is. Oh, I found a piece of plastic. Interesting. It's definitely not from the dishes. As you probably know, we don't eat plastic. Okay, let's try to remove a little bit of more of water. And then I'll try to put the steam cleaner inside the drain, and with the pressure maybe it will clear out. Okay, I guess I may have to find the manual online because it doesn't work. Okay, next step, I'll find the manual. I'll be back. Okay, I decided to try something different, and then if it doesn't work, I'll have to find the manual. So I have a drain cleaner. Do you think it's safe? I think it's safe, right? It was made for this reason. How long do we need to wait? Pour half of the bottle slowly into drain. Wait for 15-30 minutes. Drain with hot water. Okay, we have to wait for 15 to 30 minutes. Okay, put it everything. This is all I can do. Wait for 15 minutes. Where is the lid? I'll be back in 20 minutes. So 1 hour later, we still have the same. Oh, it's actually a little bit less water now. So what I can do now, the last step would be to add hot water in here, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, let's try. please, please. Drain, drain, go away. Oh. I guess this is all I can do. You know what? I tried to fix everything myself. Same with the leather pants. I was trying to clean them, and then I ended up paying $260 for dry cleaner. I'm afraid this will be the case with the dishwasher. I'm trying to do it myself, but then I'm afraid I will have to call the professional to make it work. I was doing my best. Okay, nothing happens. It's still there. Okay, the last step would be to find the manual online and see what it says. Okay, last chance. I'll try something different. I will unscrew the dishwasher, pull it out, and see what I can do from inside. Where is my screwdriver? It's better than calling the dishwasher service. So this is all I can do. I can keep trying or give up. And giving up is not what I like. Okay, so there is a screw in here. Oh, it's the wrong size. It happens. Sometimes the size is bigger than you need. So maybe this will work. I guess this is the right size. Oh, lock. Okay, another one. And one more here. Oh, it's a different size in here. I guess I need a different screwdriver. How do you pull it out? Oh. Too big. How do people guess what size they need? You just look at the screw and know exactly what size you need? No. This one? Oh. Interesting. I hope I will be able to put it back after. And there is one more in here. Okay. Anything else? So you just pull it. Oh, wow, it's moving. No, it's not. There is something else. Oh, I guess here. Of course, it's a different size now. Why do they make it so difficult? Why can't it be the same size for everything? No, it has to be complicated, right? Which one is it? I guess by the end of this adventure, I will be guessing the size immediately. Of course, it doesn't fit now. Why it's so difficult? I will figure out which bolt goes where after. I hope so. Okay. I know what. I won't be able to pull it out because there are legs which are high and I will not be able to remove it, I guess. Yes. So it can be pulled out, but the legs won't let me do this. So I need to pull it up. Oh, they're plastic, they're not metal. Oh, great, so I think I can remove them. Oh, this is not easy. So I guess I need to shouldn't be this easier than this. I hope it makes sense. I hope it will do the trick, because for now it's kinda too difficult. Okay. No. What else can I do? Okay, how to remove the legs. No, it doesn't fit. It can't get through. What else? So I guess I need to move the legs. What do I need to do? Maybe I'll read manual. So what I'm gonna tell you, I tried to clean the drain, but the problem is water doesn't go away. So I'm thinking maybe it doesn't have to drain when it's off. I'll show you. I already unscrewed all the bolts, and also I was trying to clean it from this side. So I removed the pipe, but for some reason, like, I'm not able to, even from this side doesn't work. So what I do, I'll put it back, the pipe, and I'll try to turn it on and see if the water goes away. Maybe we'll try a different way. Oh, I'm sure next time I will be an expert. So I need to put this guy back. Oh, it's the wrong way. Okay, think it's tight enough. Okay, we'll try to turn it on and see what happens. Maybe the only thing we needed to do was to clean the filter. Okay, now we need to figure out how to put the filter back. This is not easy. Which way? Okay. Okay. Off. And we'll try to rinse it. So I'll stay around because I unscrewed all the bolts and I will need to put it back somehow. This is when I try to fix something that is not fully broken. But you know, it's a nice experience. So what I'm looking for now, when I open it, it doesn't say water drop anymore. So I guess it fixed. Okay, the summary. The water trap error meant that the filter was clogged. It was not too bad, actually. It was a little bit of dirt, but it was not bad at all. So I was trying to drain the water, but actually it wasn't supposed to be drained fully. So it doesn't drain when the dishwasher is off. So it only drains when it's on. That's why I wasn't able to get rid of water. So it turns off automatically when I remove the filter. Let's try again. Start. Are you okay? It works. So I was trying to pull it off, but it didn't work because the legs didn't get through, so they get stuck and I wasn't able to unscrew them. That's why I decided to try something different, and it actually worked. Let's see one more time. There is no water drop anymore. There is no error. It worked. So the only thing I needed was to clean the filter. This is it. I guess I'm not rinsing my dishes before putting them in dishwasher because it was super easy. Super easy. Just cleaning the filter. I'll be back because I have something else to fix at home. Forgot about the final part. I need to put everything back, right? It won't work if we don't put everything back. And it's quite a work because I removed this bottom part and I also unscrewed all the bolts. So let's see what I can do now. And remember, they're all different sizes. So now I have to find out which screwdriver goes, which screw goes where. Oh my God, so okay, off. Where is my screwdriver? So I know that black guys go underneath with this metal part. And I remember that, so these two and these two, why can they be the same? What's the reason? So I guess this longer guys needs to go inside the wall. Okay. So I need to, so this little bolt, where is the black one? Here. It goes here. It's good I'm doing this the same day, otherwise I won't remember what to do. Okay, this is good. Okay, now I need to lift it up. Oh, actually, I didn't show you. What else I did? There is a, so there is something in here showing that if you screw it one way, it goes up. If you screw it the other way, it goes down. So we need to move it down a little bit. I think it's good. Okay. So these guys, I need which one did I use? Oh, this one. Oh, I see. It has to go up even more. Yeah. So I have to lift it up. Does it have to go up? Why does it have to go up? No, I think it's good. Is it? I think it's good. Okay, goes inside, and then from here oh, I see. I moved it back even more, which is fine. I just need to make sure it's even. No, it's not, so I need to move it down a little bit. Okay, I guess I need level to see that it's even. Or I need to move the legs a little bit. Wow, this is not easy. And the most difficult part is to screw it back. Okay. Okay, now it's good. I think I might need a better screwdriver. I can't say that this is the first time I'm using screwdriver, but it's not what I do every day, so it may be not easy for me. I told you, this is the hardest part. How do people do it? Okay. I need an electrical screwdriver, I believe. Oh. Do I? Uh-oh. It took me quite some time to unscrew everything, and now it's even more difficult. Uh-oh. Okay, I guess the main idea was to fix the water tap. So I'll have to figure out how to screw it back. Oh, maybe I can put it in here. Maybe this would be easier. or I will find an electrical screwdriver, and then it will be even easier. Oh. The main idea is to, before unscrewing it, just check that it's still not working, and then create more work for yourself. Okay, at least I know it's fixed now. This was important, and I think I can put this guy back. Yes, so this will go back, and then I will figure out the rest. Oh. So I still need to put this bolt back, and the good thing is that they fit perfectly, so it means it's leveled. Good. I will call it successful because it works. I put it back, and it's better than it was before, and it's clean. Isn't it amazing? You don't get the result if you don't try. And now we'll go and fix blinds in my kid's bedroom.